recap on the riding we did yesterday. It turns out after yesterday's ride, our diff was shot and same was our steering. So after the ride, guys, we went ahead and went to our local hobby shop and picked up some new grease for the differential. So I redid the diff and we picked up a new servo. This is the Traxxas 300 servo, which is pretty cool. It's going to provide a lot of power. And yeah, so that video was pretty much based on the long travel. This is a Marton Brothers / two-wheel drive long travel kit for the two-wheel drive. This is the front and rear. This is very wide. I think the front was as wide as the front of my Traxxas GDR, but I'll have to confirm on that. Yeah, it was as wide as the front of the Traxxas GDR. And the kit drives good. You know, you can see in the video, we still need to test more. You know, get the shocks a little more dialed. Same with the rear. You know, the rear is a little too spongy, but we'll figure that out soon, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just a little recap on the riding we did yesterday. We haven't rode in a long time, so we decided, hey, what the heck, let's just go out ride, get some clips with this car. And yeah, this is the rear. Yeah, I still gotta button up some stuff. You know, I gotta buy new pinion gear, and I'm probably gonna end up buying a new servo horn right here. So this one will probably strip out with all the torque that one has, especially with the metal gears. Yeah, so this probably won't last. And this car is dialed. I'm probably gonna make another video on it soon, talking about all the upgrades we've done to it and long travel. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and later, guys.